Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a poster design in Adobe Photoshop. The document size is 1080 by 1350. Go to the adjustment layer and add a gradient layer. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Change its font to Gotham Ultra. Follow my text settings. Press Ctrl+T and adjust its size. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, right-click on it, and choose Distort. Follow the process. Right-click on its layer and open the blending options. Apply the gradient overlay to it. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the File menu. Place Embedded, select the image, and place. Select Menu and Subject. Here, I need some manual selection. I am using the Lasso tool for it. Hold the Shift button to add the selection and Alt for minus. Add a layer mask to it. Select the image. Use the Lasso tool and make a selection of the shadow. And press Ctrl+J. Drag it down in the layer panel, and change the blend mode to multiply. Select the Type tool and type the text. Press Ctrl+T. Hold the Control button, click, and move it freely. Follow my text settings. Then I have this logo, drag and place it in the design. Finally, add a solid color adjustment layer of gray. Go to the Filter menu and Filter Gallery. Use the grain filter with these settings and hit OK. And change its blend mode to vivid light. And bring down the opacity to 50%. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.